Welcome back guys to the channel. It's Rodney's Kitchen and Lifestyle and I'm back with another video. Now today video very interested video I got for react to, review, talk about, and I want you all to help me with this video by commenting on this video and make we talk about it. Also remember, like this video, share this video, comment on this video, subscribe, and make we do a thing. And before I go any further, I want to say 1,000,000% of thanks to each and every one out there, viewers, subscribers, you know, all the who is non-subscribers, my viewers, me soon are watching now. Subscribe now, man, subscribe, man. And remember, my people, you see when you don't see the video them, you know, not really the video them. Yeah, when you watch the video them and you see the ads, watch the ads, man. Or if you don't feel like watch the ads, just left it, make it go and run, do a little work, come back. Yeah, man, because when you watch the ad, you are help out me, the other next person, you are help out everybody on YouTube. Yes. So anyway, I want to talk about this here video. Now, I been I hear this thing a whole heap. Like me go up on most of the channel that me go up on social media. This is something where you hear a lot of females, a lot of ladies, a lot of women discuss and talk about. And to be honest with you, most time when me hear them talk about, not really most time, when me hear them talk about it, me really squinch come and say, yo, what make them go on so towards us? Yeah, towards us. So me go make she say a few things about her feelings. And then me go listen to what she say first before me tell you what she really talk about.
The first reason is that the aggressiveness. I cannot stand people who are short-tempered and aggressive and ignorant. Jamaican people are known as aggressive. Jamaican men are known as aggressive. Of course, there are some men who we say are not, we cannot have one size fits all. But majority of Jamaican men are aggressive. They may not know it, but they are aggressive. I dislike the aggressiveness. The term is that when you're aggressive, they're prone to, it's like they retaliate without rationalizing stuff. Many times they rationalize and say, you know what, they normally do that after. But I don't think that it is good.
Guys, so far, how does she sound to you? Now, what she's talking about is the reason why she do not date Jamaican men. Yeah, that's what she talk about. She talk about the reason why she not date Jamaican man. So she have a set of things what she go talk about, and she go explain the reason why she not date Jamaican man. So me could go and listen to what she say, and then we'll do a little talk about what she say. And you all, guys, comment down below and make we discuss this situation here.
Good for you to have a quick-tempered, aggressive guy because usually they always aim to the quickest solution because there's a big spiral of emotions against you and that. Other one is that they are very controlling. I dislike the fact that Jamaican men seem to be controlling to a point where they don't even realize it. Like, they always seem to...
Guys, may I have to stop it right there. She said Jamaican men is controlling. That's kind of strange to me because me a Jamaican man, controlling, no. Me personally believe that when you have a woman, when you're dating a person, controlling that person go make that relationship not, there's no happiness go be in that relationship. Because it's like a dictatorship. You have to, so controlling, I could go and listen still.
have this set belief about a particular behavior a woman has. So they are grown in a way that
Does she sound like she have a problem, or does she sound like she have an issue? How does she sound to you? Comment down below and let me know how she sound to you from your point of view.
And majority of what I've seen like to think that they own a woman. So once they have you for a period of time, they think that they automatically own you. But no, you do not own anyone. Other one is the cheating. Jamaican men are known for cheating and having multiple women because they don't want to be looked down upon. They take it as a trophy to have multiple.
Hold on a little bit. Hold on a little bit. She said Jamaican man take it as like a trophy. My question is to you all out there. Do you all believe that Jamaican man is the only man that cheat? Do you all believe that Jamaican man cheat the most? What do you all think about that stereotype word that every woman that talks bad about Jamaican men or man always have a problem? Oh, they cheat, they cheat, they cheat. Like Jamaican man is the only man or men's that cheat. I don't get it. May could continue to listen.
Woman, and this could even result in multiple baby mamas and multiple babies. They kind of have that culture with them. Not all, but majority likes to have more than one woman to prove that he is actually a man and is actually, yes, some of them like to multiply. There are also some men that are in races, they don't show it, but they are in a big race to see who.
Hold on. I didn't know that there's a race down in Jamaica to see how much. What? What? Hold on. Is she joking or is she serious? Comment down below and tell me what you all think about what she just said a while ago. Wow.
Have the most children in Jamaica and is being close-minded. Jamaican men have this stereotypical way of behavior that they believe that a woman should be this, a woman should do that, and it's very close-minded because not everybody gonna like the same thing. Not every you can't put one.
Guys, can anyone down below in the comment let me know what you're thinking about what she's saying? And anybody down in the comment, can you tell me if you think she have a problem with Jamaican men? Me could continue watch.
Everybody in the same bucket because humans are dynamic. Some women just like wearing short clothes because they don't like feeling hot. Some just like their body. It doesn't mean that when a woman is wearing short clothing that she is looking to be raped, to be assaulted or harassed. As I was saying, the short temper and aggressiveness, I would like to highlight what this leads to in abuse. A lot of Jamaican women are in abusive relationships. Abusive relationship without even knowing the verbal, the emotional, all those abuse, the sexual abuse, and
Guys, from what I'm listening and hearing, I think this lady have a problem with the country itself and Jamaican men. Comment down below. Tell me what you guys think.
they don't even know it. The thing about Jamaican men is that they feel that killing has to have a justified reason. So they like to hear if somebody dies, if a woman died, they said what killed her, and they would say, oh, she take a lot of his money. But there are many people in this world that give money. Many women that take care of men give money to men, and they don't give to the clear solution. So I want to make it clear. It's not about what the woman did. It's about who she was dealing with. It's a man as a person. The man is violent. It doesn't give them the right to kill a woman. The reason is the currency. Jamaican men.
I don't know. I don't get it. But I don't understand if she have a problem with Jamaica or Jamaican men. I believe from listening to, from me, I listen to what she has said. She either she date a Jamaican already, have bad luck with a Jamaican, or I think she's a Jamaican. Yes, I think she's a Jamaican. But me could go and watch.
The currency is too low, weak currency. And this is why we have a lot of men finding it hard to take women on decent dates, not KFC, decent dates. It takes them long to carry on a decent date because
What?
their money is weak.
Oh, hold on, look at me. What? Is she serious? No, hold on. Is she serious? You notice what she said? What it says? I stopped dating Jamaican men. Yeah, she used to date one. Or I don't know how much. But people, continue listen.
Our money is weak. Our money is weak.
Hold on.
If you really want
Hold on. Did you all hear that? She says our money is weak. Yep, I told you. She's a Jamaican and she used to date Jamaican. So, me personally not go talk about our demeanor or our age, because age is just a number. It can happen to young person, middle age, old person. But I don't know if you should say so much things about men that you have never dated. The reason why I say that is if you date a Jamaican man, because she's Jamaican, so she says our currency is weak. So if you date a Jamaican man and you have bad things happen, that doesn't mean you should say you're not going to date another Jamaican man, because you have the next person may be the best person you have ever dated in your life. That's the problem I'm having with what she's saying. But make we continue listen.
to go to a very nice restaurant, you're gonna have to date a foreign guy.
Guys, she says if you want to go to a nice restaurant or something really, you have to date a foreign guy. Now, no disrespect to foreign guys. No disrespect to a foreign guy. But here's the problem. A foreign guy may have a little extra, a little more than what a Jamaican guy can give. So because a Jamaican guy can take you to Kentucky Fried Chicken and cannot take you to a luxurious, that means Jamaican guy ain't good. So can I say a gold digger, or should I not say that? I'll leave it to you guys. I will leave it to you guys. Let me know what you think about her or what she says in the comment. Yeah, let's continue.
About what the experience is as what it is to date a foreign guy and how adventurous it is and how you guys are missing out on a lot.
So you hear all that. So dating a foreign guy is adventurous. And she says you guys missing out. So you guys out there, I don't know. She says you should go and date a foreign guy, because if you're not dating a foreign guy, you're missing out. She's saying leave Jamaican guys alone and go date a foreign guy. Now, what I have to say to her is, me personally, I will not say anything bad about her, because I do not know her. But as a Jamaican, whether if your parents is Jamaican or she's a Jamaican born, she have bad experience with maybe one or two or I don't know how much guys in Jamaica. But for you to date one American guy or two American guy and says they're the best, and if you guys are missing out if you don't date an American guy. That's just sad. That's just sad. Yeah, that's just very sad to hear a young lady using those kind of words, telling people you're missing out if you're not dating an American guy. So an American guy who have money is more better to date than a guy who don't have it. Because when the guy don't have it, you ain't gonna enjoy yourself. So that means you're there for the money. Should I say that? Or should I not say that? Make we continue listen.
The money is weak to the point that the men can hardly take care of themselves. Like they can only manage, they make enough money not to take care of family just for them. Of
What?
course, there's some persons who are out to the back, but usually you cannot take money from a Jamaican man due to the fact that money is hard to come by.
Guys, I don't know why she's doing that or what is happening there, but have any of you guys been to Jamaica? Comment down below if you have been to Jamaica. What did you see in Jamaica and what you think about Jamaican man? Do you think Jamaican man is poor, that they cannot put themselves together, that they cannot help themselves, they cannot help them family? Comment down below. Make we watch.
For a Jamaican man. But if you take money from a foreign person, it will seem nothing like a breeze off because they don't really work that hard for the money. But in terms of dating, you want to go to a nice restaurant, a nice taste. A Jamaican man can't really afford that. They probably afford it once in a lifetime, but not on the regular to take you out on a regular at these fancy restaurants. And I want to tell
Guys, I'm asking for help on this one. Please, please help me with this one. What do you all think of this lady? What do you all think of what she's saying? What do you all think of the way she's putting American guys up against Jamaican guys?
boyfriend for, of course, bringing me out. Anyways, I want to say to you guys, thanks for watching, and that's what I have to say. You guys can make free to base your opinion in the comment section, and I'll be reading and see what you guys have to say to me. Please give this video a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. And thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.
Guys, guys, I don't know what you all think. I'm shocked. I'm right at this point. I don't know what to say. Yeah, me don't know what to say right now because me never hear this before. Yeah, me never hear this before in my life. Guys, me bring it closer. Guys, I'm a Jamaican, born Jamaican. And I see how and know how Jamaicans operate and work hard. Yeah. And when I go to Jamaica, the way how I see my friends them operate, sometimes look for my friend them and say, man, we know better than many people in the US, many people in Canada, many people in England, because everybody work hard, everybody have their money. But this lady seems to have an issue. Let me see. I think our video is 3 years. Yeah, she made that video 3 years ago. Yeah, 3 years ago she made that video, so maybe she need maybe she needs to make a different video. Well, not saying, not saying, you know, I will not say that word because I'm not go. I'm not going to talk about what most people is doing in Jamaica right now. Yeah, I won't say it because I won't. I don't tolerate them things. But Jamaicans, I think she should go down there and give it a check. Anyway, my people, remember, like the video, comment upon this video. Please, I'm asking you, I'm begging you, comment upon this video. Share this video. Make everybody see this video because this video need to be seen and heard across the zone, across the world, so people can really venture, talk about what she say about Jamaican man. And guys, if what she say about Jamaican men, not man, man is one, men is a whole bunch. If what she say is true from your side, please comment. Let me know if what she says is true and if she's telling a lie or if she's just disgruntled about a relationship that she was in. So, my people, my viewers, my subscribers, me all a sweat. This how man that make me a sweat. Brother. Wow. Anyway, like the video, share the video, comment on the video. Peace. Until the next video, I'm out. Bye-bye.